Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So today guys is Tablescape Tuesdays and I am really excited to introduce to you our guest host, which is Felicia from the Rogers house. Now Tablescape Tuesdays is hosted every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's hosted by the ladies of Elegance. Guys, if you haven't been over to Felicia's channel, The Rogers House, you have to go over there and show her some love. I cannot wait for you to see all that she has to give you. So if you guys have not come out to join us for Tablescape Tuesdays, what are you waiting for? We can't wait to have you. We would love to see your style, your color, your theme. It doesn't matter. It's freestyle, and I'm more than happy to add you to the playlist. Now I'm going to go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music as I decorate this fall tablescape for you. Okay, so now I am all done decorating. Let's head on over to the reveal, guys. Okay, let's take a closer look at the table. So the tablecloth was thrifted at the Salvation Army, and the placemats I purchased at Home Goods. Now let's look at the dishware. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? I purchased that at Hobby Lobby. And now the napkins I purchased also at the Salvation Army. Now we have that lantern, which was gifted to me, along with all of the greenery, which I purchased at Michael's. Now the wine glasses, I purchased that a long time ago at Dollar Tree. Those were absolutely beautiful. And then the water glasses, I did thrift those at the Goodwill. And if we move over to the flatware, that I purchased at Target on sale, and so that was a great buy. And so pretty much this tablescape was put together with all different high and low items, and I think it came out absolutely gorgeous. And that bless sign that you see in the center of the plate, I got that at Hobby Lobby. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank our guest host, Felicia from the Rogers House, for hosting this collaboration with us. It was an honor to have you. As usual, I want to thank Courtney, Amethyst Adventures, for hosting this collaboration with me, the ladies of Elegance. So guys, if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you next Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.